The start of day 2 was as beautiful as ever. It was freezing cold, but the weather was sunny and bright. चल 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 It was relatively an easy walk to start off the day, just the type you want to get yourself warmed up. Winding forest trails, steady descent for the first few kilometers. Till you reach the riverbed, cross the bridge and onto the other side.
विनेश जी, ब्रिज का नाम क्या है?
ये नीमिलाधार।
हाँ?
नीमिलाधार।
We had an unfortunate incident where our friend Odithro twisted his ankle. But the sheer willpower and the beginning of the mountains urged him on. He tied a crepe bandage around his ankle, and with the help of a couple of sticks, he limped along.
सुंदर ना जगह?
As the forest suddenly gave way to this open landscape, with the Pinda River flowing on the right and perpendicular high cliffs on the left. This particular stretch is one of my favorite memories in the entire trek. Just relax and walk.
দাঁড়াস না তুই মানে বসিস না
একটা ওয়ার্মিং পায়ে দিবি।
हाँ। ये স্মার্ট আছে বেরিয়ে গেল ওই শালা ওটা গিয়ে উঠে গেছে দেখেছিস ও উঠে ঘাস খেতে শুরু করে দিয়েছে ট্রেকটা এখনো অবধি বেশ ইজি এবং খুব বেশি ওঠা বা খুব বেশি নামা নেই
After walking for a while, we decided to take a break.
चाय पी रहे हैं हम लोग ठीक है নাও যে চা খেয়ে নিই আমি বিস্কুট ওজিক ওজিক কটা স্টেপ হলো বুঝছো চারদিকে জঙ্গলে ঘেরা পুরো জায়গাটা একটা স্নো লেপার্ড এলো জল খেতে হ্যাঁ
We were fooling around and were in great spirits as we made our way through the wonderful landscape. Honestly, you can never be sad on a trek.
আমরা এখন বাবাজির কুটিতে যাচ্ছি উপরে এত ঠান্ডা যে বাবাজি এখন নিচে নেমে এসেছে এই যে বাবাজির কুটির ঘুরে আসছি একবার
Swami Dharmanand Ji or Pindari Baba have been staying all alone at the glacier for the past 32 years. Even though he stays at 0 point for most of the year, he has temples at other places including Duali, where he descends to in case of heavy snowfall.
बाबाजी ऊपर बहुत बर्फ है अभी आप कब जाएंगे ऊपर परसों यहाँ पे आप खाना बनाते हैं अरे वाह बहुत बहुत कंफर्टेबल है यहाँ पे आग चल रहा है पूरा। अब कितना सालों से है यहाँ पे?
32 साल हो गया।
32 साल।
Away from the civilization, chatting in a cave with this person, it felt we have hopped onto a time machine and deported us a couple of centuries back. He was extremely hospitable and offered us puri and sabji, which we gleefully accepted. How time flew by we didn't know. Listening to his lifestyle, his day-to-day activities, thrillers about snow leopards, comedies about monkeys and langurs, whose curiosity knew no end as they would peek through the door while he meditated.
ওই বাড়িটাই যাবো আমরা, ওই যে ওইটা।
It was almost dark and we still had to cover some distance to reach Dwali. However, any such plans of making a quick move was postponed as we witnessed a beautiful enchanting sunset by the riverside. We sat here for some time till it was completely dark. And then we had to complete the rest of our journey using head torches. We were greeted by a bright morning at Dwali, much needed after our very exhausting 17 kilometers the previous day. A couple of trekkers halt at the edge of the cliff, overlooking the Pindar river, making its way through the rocky bed deep below. During monsoon, the river is in its full strength. In fact, during the Uttarakhand flood, the river was at her fiercest, wiping out the old trail completely. After a delicious breakfast made by our guide Dinesh ji, we started off again. With only 5 kilometers to walk for the day, there was no race against time. We halted wherever we felt like and did whatever we wanted. Some lay lazily basking in the sun. Some chatted and joked around. As horses grazed around and eagles glided by, as herds of Himalayan Thar played on the opposite mountains, human beings reflected on their sudden found freedom away from the bondages of society.